This is a LG Gram laptop, and one of the most common problem of this laptop for the advanced user is its BIOS menu. So in this video I will show you how to explore all the BIOS options of this laptop. Okay, here is the BIOS menu. As you can see, there is not all the options are available here. Under the advanced there should be more options. So what you need to do, press three buttons at once: Alt, Control and F7. Okay, I am trying to do that. Yes, when you press these three buttons, all the advanced menu settings are now present. You can now change and explore everything you want, just like another new laptop. And oh my god, there are a lot more options than any other normal laptops. By I don't know why LG keep these options under the hood. Okay, so this is the video. This is how you explore the advanced BIOS settings on your LG Gram laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.